Hi everybody, welcome back. In today's video we're going to do a tutorial on how to put a zip in a cushion cover. It's a straight line, straight zip, but made easy. I have cut myself out a 16-inch cushion we're going to make today, and I would advise if you buy a 16-inch filler, cut your fabric 16-inch, and then what you take off your seam allowances makes your cover a little bit smaller, which allows your filler to puff up into your cushion and it doesn't go flat as quickly. Today we're going to put a plain zip into a cushion cover. I'm starting at the bottom of my fabric, print down, and I have a narrow foot put on here to allow to catch the edge of the zip. And at the bottom, all I'm going to do is stitch about 1.5 inches at each end. You're coming in at about, so your seam allowance is just a little bit over 1 centimetre, 1.5 centimetres, give or take. Open out your two ends where you've stitched just a couple of inches. Lay the end of your zip down along the end of your fabric. And so close up to your teeth. You have your zip right side onto the right side of your fabric. Now, this zip is obviously way too long for the cushion, but the nylon zips are easy to cut. And what I tend to do is put a few stitches over the end and cut off the excess. Turn your cushion over and do the same on the other side. Line up the edge of your zip with the edge of your fabric. Keep in close to the edge of where the teeth of your zip are. Now, a tip here. Open up your zip, because if you sew right to the end, you'll find it really difficult to get in to open your zip up. Open your zip down a little bit. Back tack at each ends. Now when I open my two pieces out, there's your zip. It's a cushion, it doesn't have to be perfect, you don't need to use a concealed zip, a normal dress nylon zip will do. Now just sew up your seams, fold your zip in half, back tack, again about 1 centimetre, 1.5 centimetres seam. Join up your seams. And again, when you come to the end, tuck your zip in and fold the two ends in half. Slip your hand in, open up your zip. Tuck your corners in. Neat cushion cover with a zip fastener. Now we're going to pop the filler in, 16-inch square, nice and puffed, and we're going to fold that, get a grip in half, and wriggle it in right up to the corners of your cover. we have our nicely finished cushion and nicely placed zip. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe. Any comments, please below. See you next time. Bye.